Welcome to Wheelz Connect. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add a payment method so you can receive your payouts seamlessly. First, open the Wheelz Connect app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the Settings tab and tap on Add Payment Method. Now, choose the bank where you want to receive your payouts. Make sure to select the correct bank to avoid any issues with disbursement. Enter your full account name exactly as it appears on your bank records. Then, type in your bank account number carefully to ensure there are no errors. Once all details are entered, tap Save to finalize your payment setup. That's it. You're now set to receive payouts every Tuesday of the week. Need an early payout? Simply email our support team and they'll assist you with your request. Thank you for using Wheelz Connect. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.